Hi, in this video we will see how we can create a highlighted text or create a text box behind the text in Illustrator. At first I am going to create one text by using the Illustrator. A simple text is fine and is just typed hello as a text. And now I am going to increase the size of this text. I am going to select it and shift, and I am moving my cursor by dragging the corner, and it is increased the size. Now let's make it colorize or highlight the text. So we just need to click on the window menu at the top of the Illustrator. There is couple of menus are there. One of the menus window, just click here, and then we will see this type of menu is there. One of them is appearance. We just need to select it, and once we select, the appearance window will be appeared here. I am going to increase a little bit size of this appearance window, and now we have to create two layers. So basically on the down of this window, basically we will find couple of icons are there. One of the icon is to create the fill. So we just need to create two fills for this case because we want to create a highlight. I'm going to click here two times. First click, it will create one block, and another click, it will create another block. So two blocks are there. And now for the second block, there is a color box like black color right now. So we just need to click here basically here, and then we have to press this button. There is a small button here. Once we press this button, different color options will be appeared. So from here we can choose any color, whatever the color we want to use as a highlighter. For example, let's use this color. I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to click it here, and then it will be gone. I mean the color panel will be gone. Now come to this effects button, just click here, and it will pop up another menu. From here we have to choose convert to shape. So if you go on the top of the menu, you will find over there. Now from here we have to choose rectangle. Anything you can choose, but I'm going to use rectangle, and then a new window will be appeared. From here we can adjust the width or height based on our own requirement. I'm not going to change this. Then press the OK button, and once we press the OK button, we'll see the highlighted text is colored like that way. So in this way we can highlight the color. If we want to change the color of this highlighted text, then we can also do that. We just need to click this arrow button again, and from here we can choose any color. I'm choosing this color, for example, like red color, and the highlighting color is right now red. If you want to change the color of the text, we can also do. For this case, we have to come this first box, and then from here we can choose any color, like for example yellow or green, anything is fine, or even white is fine. So let's make the changes like white color, and that's it. So in this way we can easily highlight the text or create a like colored box behind the text in Illustrator. Thank you guys for watching the video.